just like this one, that are perfect for your next group function. This building is also home to our apes of Africa. Our western lowland gorillas and bonobos call this rainforest aesthetic home.
It's a Zoom train.
If you look ahead and to the right, you will find our reindeer when domesticated. As we round this corner, you might be able to catch a glimpse of our male caribou being. He's huddled alongside that concrete wall. Caribou are the only species of deer where both males and females can grow antlers, although males' antlers are 3 times larger and can have up to 40 points. You can also join us for our reindeer roundup wild corrections encounter, where you might get to meet Santa's various helpers.
Look at the bear, Mom. It's cute.
Bear.
Next up, we have our family of grizzly bears. We have 4 grizzlies at our zoo. The mother, Ronnie, came to us pregnant with her 3 sons all the way from Yellowstone National Park. Her family has now called our zoo home for over 20 years. Ronnie shares this habitat with 2 of her 3 sons, Ryan and Chida. The third will be seen a little later down the line.
Yeah.
Next door to our grizzlies, we have our female North American elk. Elk were once
look at that!
deer in North America, but are now mainly found in the western region. However, they were reintroduced into Wisconsin in 1998.
Hi. Hello.
Our zoo can mainly be found in the northern half of the state. On our right, we have Lake Evinrude, a human-made sanctuary for many species. This area is also where you'll find our seagulls, Canadian geese, as well as our trumpeter swans. This is your program that successfully reintroduced trumpeter swans into Wisconsin. So when you see a wild one in the state today, odds are their ancestors were raised here at our zoo. On our left, we're passing by the habitat for Boris, our Alaskan brown bear. You can support the zoo and animals just like Boris when you purchase a Zoo Pass. Anyone can become a Zoo Pass member and enjoy the wonderful benefits that we offer. You can even bring in today's admissions receipt into the Zoological Society office and apply it towards a Zoo Pass today.
Yeah.
2 more of our concession options, Nourish 414 and the Coop.
There's a tractor.
Completely
Hi,
replaced plastic
tractor.
straws with paper straws.
I got the tractor. And there's a wagon.
Paper
Yay.
straws are biodegradable and safer for animals. Next up on your left, we have our pot of harbor seal.
Look at that. Over there.
The bear.
Mira, Leia,
Big bear.
Ringo, and Cosette.
Wow.
Just behind them, as previously mentioned, you'll find our 3rd grizzly son, Bosun.
That's a
Stop by and say hi to him in his new habitat.
Arbor seal. Hello, we can go down there. Oh, down.
We are soon approaching our Nourish Cafe stop. If you'd like to grab a bite at Nourish, this is a good place to hop out. This is also the quickest access to our skyglide, where you can get a bird's eye view of the zoo, unlike anything you've seen before. Unless you're a bird, that is. If this is your stop, please gather your belongings and exit to the left once we've come to a full and complete stop. Otherwise, remain seated, and we'll be on our way in just a few short moments.
Oh, there's the elephant over
See an
there.
elephant?
Oh,
Right there.
yeah. We can see the elephant later. Adaptation station. Big train. And then the seal. I like to see the seal later. We're gonna go. Yeah. Yeah. Dion happy.
Let's go there.
Yeah. Hello. Yeah. Dion
Stop
right.
sign.
Stop sign.
Oh, shit.
Hello. Hello.
Big train.
Hello at the back.
Map, Mom.
Oh no, the map is good. Baby Sophia, Sophia the first. Sit down,
Hey,
anak.
be careful. Sit down, sit down.
There's elephant there. We're gonna go there closer later. We're gonna go there later.
Alright, we're going to continue on our way. Our next stop is going to be Adventure Africa Picnic Area.
Huh?
They're gonna eat.
Adventures just like you guys have made new projects possible, like Adventure Africa on your left.
Left.
Come to our 3 applications for Liz and Belle. And was the largest physical change to the zoo since we reopened in 1961.
Wow, 1961.
You might have caught a glimpse of one of the African elephants going inside the building. You might get a better view of her as we round this corner. Looks like that is Brittany in the back there.
Brittany. Elephant in action. Huh?
Coming up next on the left, we have a demonstration yard. Our zoo holds a 11:30 a.m. demonstration each day, where you can meet one of our beautiful gals and learn how she interacts with her animal care team. Fun fact, 3 African elephants can produce between 600 to 800 pounds of poop every single day. And we don't let that waste go to waste. The manure is sent to Blue Ribbon Organics to make compost.
African
Next time you're at the
forest.
store, make sure to pick up a bag to have a little piece of our zoo in your garden.
No, I don't want it.
Oh, look at
Our
that.
gray crown crane are bongos. Bongos are a very reclusive species.
Sorry, Anna.
So reclusive that they weren't even discovered until the 1970s. It's rare to see them out in the middle of their habitat, so what you need to do is get a side angle, as we're getting, to your left, and then there you will see our two
So
bongo
small.
sisters, Sydney and Zuri. Zuri's the one with the crossed horns, while Sydney is the one with the parallel horns. If you'd like more zoo and animal facts, make sure to check out our 25-minute and hour-long private tours that we offer. More information on those can be found online or by calling group sales. Now, as we're approaching
look
our
at
next
that
stop,
animal over
I'd like to
there.
thank all of our hardworking staff here at the zoo. We've been
Oh,
continuously
I see
accredited by the
ostrich.
AZA since
There's an
1976
ostrich
and
over
go through an
there.
intensive process
that
every
ostrich,
5
right?
years
Look,
that examines
two.
all of our operations
Is
to
that
ensure we are
ostrich,
holding the
right?
highest industry standards of animal care.
We have ostrich here too.
See the
We are coming up to our Adventure Africa picnic area stop. This is the quickest access to our zoo playground. If this is where you'd like to head out, you may gather your belongings and exit to the left.
Oh, there's a
Otherwise,
zip
remain
line.
seated
Stop
and we'll shortly be heading
Stop
towards the main
sign.
entrance back to
There's
Expedition
a
Headquarters.
there's a zip line.
Pulls
Yeah.
you up above. How much is the upper tour, the zip line thing? Oops.
How much is the zip line?
We can't hear you. We can hear you because he has. We're gonna.
How much is the zip line? How much is the zip line?
I'm not sure.
Okay. We need to inquire there then later.
I don't know where it starts. I don't know if that's called a zip line. It's kind of like a ski lift. A ski.
Ski, you need to
Alright,
sit.
we're going to continue on our way to our last stop, Expedition
Okay, last
Headquarters.
stop na.
One final
sit down,
reminder
anak,
to
sit
keep
down.
all head, arms, legs, and tails inside the coaches.
Michael,
Do
sit
not
down,
attempt to
please.
stand or exit while we are in motion.
Because it's danger, anak. You need to sit down because it's danger.
Be careful. No pushing.
That's a train. Oh, look at that.
On your left, you'll see our habitat that belongs to our pair of ostriches, Gigi and Poppy,
Ostrich.
as well as our herd of female impala. You'll see many examples of these multi-species habitats all over the zoo. These exhibits help fulfill the social needs of our animals by recreating the same environments and interspecies interactions that they would get in the wild. On our right, we have the reticulated giraffes of the African plains.
Look at that zip line. The line.
You can purchase tickets for our daily giraffe feedings at that booth right over there, where you can walk up onto the deck and feed our giraffes.
Pony ride. There's a pony ride too.
Rats are there.
A giraffe?
If you're a frequent visitor of the Milwaukee County Zoo, you may remember this next habitat as our rhino yard. Our rhino Josie is currently on vacation in Oregon.
Look at that.
Plans to build her a new habitat
Look,
consisting of
Michael,
this one
over
and the
there.
old elephant yard.
Over
Currently
there.
is home to our 2 female domesticated yaks, Everest and Tinley. Just behind them, you'll find a path that leads to our snow leopards
Oh, there's a peacock.
and pandas.
Look at that peacock. A peacock.
Twinkling into Central
Nice.
Asia, we have one of my favorite families, our bat-trained
There's a
camels.
camel.
Looks like you can see both parents, Stan and AJ.
Wait, Michael, camel.
Baby Milani, who was born here a little
Wow,
over
camel. Hi, camel.
adapted to cold desert conditions.
Hi, camel.
Family outdoors all
There's a
year
camel.
round. In the back is a more tiger, which are the
Tiger.
largest cat
Oh, there's
family,
another,
weighing up to 600 pounds.
May another peacock in there.
We're now traveling into South America. This lower portion is home to our alpacas.
Oh, here's the zip line.
In the back, you might
Sky
spot our
Safari.
spotted jaguar Frankie. He is the son of Pat the cat, a wild-born jaguar.
Here's the Sky
who was brought to us
Safari.
from the Zoos and Jaguar Rescue Center. Pat has since sighted 4 offspring in his time
Sky
with us,
Safari.
adding some much-needed genetic diversity to jaguar populations in U.S. zoos.
Big cat country. Oh, look at that! A deer? What's that? Zebra?
Traveling back into Africa,
Look at
we have an
that.
African watering hole. The gray tan animals with vertical white stripes along their sides.
White
are the greater
stripes.
kudu.
It's in the book,
Only the male
Michael.
kudu can grow horns, which can grow up to 5 feet in length and in a spiral-like fashion. The dark brown animals with white rings around their necks and tails are the common water buck. The predator in the back is the spotted hyena. We have 2
Hyena?
Nyota and Scruffy.
You
They
got
are not
hyena
part of the
too.
cat family, but they do compete with other big cats
Ayun.
for their prey.
Oh my god.
Hyenas actually live in packs led by alpha females who are in charge of dictating social structure, hunting for food, and raising the cubs.
There is a funny
If you don't see your
ride.
favorite big feline outside today, check out inside the big cat country on your left, on your right.
There's another peacock over there. The peacock is gonna drink Pepsi. Oh. Look, it's a wild. Look at that. Peacock is gonna drink. The peacock is thirsty.
So here you will find our Thompson's gazelle
Oh, there's owl in here. Owl, eagle.
and black crown
There's an eagle in there.
If we were to continue down the road to the right, you will find Hippo Haven, which is home to our 2 hippos, Happy and Patty. You'll also be able to find our foreign oryxes.
Oh, family farm.
Hogs.
Yeah, that's the farm. Oh, a farm
Passing
here.
by the entrance to Family Farm. Here you can feed goats at our goat feeding yard.
A goat feeding. Goat feeding over there. Yeah.
Learn about the crucial role that honeybees play in maintaining our ecosystem.
Wow,
Also
goat
the dairy
feeding.
complex, where you can learn more about the dairy industry, purchase ice cream, and
Ah.
demonstration.
There's a lot of walking with the rabbits.
Oh yeah. True.
Up this hill into
Uy,
the right,
nandito
you'll
na tayo
find
sa
two of our most
entrance.
popular attractions, our
Kapagod.
carousel and train
20
station.
minutes lang yun ha, na nandito
On your
tayo.
left, you'll be able to
Paano
see
pag
our
maglakad,
rope
1
course,
hour?
which stands 45 feet tall and consists of 3 levels of horizontally strung obstacles. If you're feeling especially daring today, you can take a 500-foot ride right over our heads on our zip line.
Something before we move.
This big building coming up on your right is our U.S. Bank gathering place, which you may recognize if you came in through our main entrance. In here, you'll find our gift shop and our member services office. Our last flipper friend of the day is on the
There's
left.
a
We have our
penguin
Humboldt
here.
penguins. These guys live off the coast of Chile and Peru, where temperatures can reach up to 100 degrees. They can also hold their breath for 3 to 4 minutes.
Well, sulit naman yung $3 natin.
In search of shrimp,
Diba, naikot
crab,
natin
and
lahat.
squid. We are now approaching our expedition headquarters stop. If this is where you'd like to head out, thank you so much for joining us today, and have a wonderful rest of your day at Milwaukee County Zoo.
Yeah, that's
If this is not the
our
end of the line,
stop.
Just give us 5 to 10 minutes while we welcome some new explorers, and we'll be on our way back to Primate Plaza.